Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Can banks meet the neobank challenges in India? Neobanks have grown significantly in India, with the role of fintech getting deeper. The definition of neobanks has changed as they are differentiating themselves from online banking services and moving away from being centered only around digital banking to focus on providing a superior customer experience. Neobanks are now being heralded as the future of banking. According to statistics, the global neobanking market size stood at $47.39 billion in 2021 and is estimated to grow at an astronomical rate of 53.4% from 2022 to 2030. Neobanks have shifted their focus towards providing superior customer experience. Therefore, it is useful to identify the needs of such target customers, which in turn have fueled and sustained the growth of neobanking in India and worldwide. However, neobanks or fintech companies are not directly regulated by RBI nevertheless. That does not mean that they are completely out of RBI's clutches. These fintechs are indirectly under RBI's purview. It is estimated that there are more than 250 neobanks worldwide. Incumbent banks should focus on faster time to market for new products and services, plus new ways to add value and increase loyalty with their customers, says Abdul Naushad, CEO of Buckzy Payments. Neobanks' use of cloud technology means they avoid having to spend heavily upfront on expensive IT infrastructure. With standardized open banking APIs, neobanks can build and bring to market products and services that enable faster, more frictionless fund transfers between account holders, other financial providers, and transactions with merchants. With these foundations in place and sustained by a steady flow of private equity cash, neobanks are free to focus their time and effort on creating and launching easy-to-use current accounts and other products that prioritize a top-notch customer experience. The rise of neobanks comes at a time when customers have become dissatisfied and frustrated with established incumbent banks for a number of reasons: a lack of transparency, an absence of useful new features, plus hidden or expensive fees for everything from overdrafts to closing your current account and moving to another bank. Neobanks are squeezing the market share of older established banks from both ends, at one end with personal accounts and other consumer-facing services, and more recently at the other end with business-focused offerings such as buy-to-let loans for property investments and bridging loans for small businesses. Neobanks were already in a strong position before the COVID-19 pandemic, but the consequences of the pandemic have created new opportunities for them. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. HCL acquires Confinale. The UK arm of India's HCL Technologies has agreed to buy Confinale, a Swiss digital banking and wealth management consulting specialist and Avalok premium implementation partner, in an undisclosed amount. With this acquisition, HCL will expand its footprint in the global wealth management market with emphasis on Avalok consulting, implementation and management capabilities. Prior to the deal, HCL defined a global partnership expansion with Avalok to develop a lifecycle management center for Avalok clients. BSF shoots down drone from Pakistan carrying heroin. The Border Security Force has shot down a drone coming from Pakistan which was carrying heroin in Punjab's Amritsar. The BSF recovered 9 packets of heroin from the drone, thwarting a smuggling bid from across the border. BSF DIG Bhupinder Singh said the drone had penetrated in at least 1 kilometer area of the Indian territory before the BSF troops could spot it. Around 9 rounds were fired to eventually get it down. US offers $10 million for information on Conti Ransomware Hackers. The US State Department has announced rewards of up to $10 million for any information leading to the identification of key individuals who are part of the infamous Conti cybercrime gang. It is offering another $5 million for intelligence information that could help arrest or convict individuals who are conspiring or attempting to affiliate with the group in a ransomware attack. Last year as well, it offered similar monetary rewards for locating criminal parties associated with DarkSide and Rebel ransomware, which were used in high-profile attacks on Colonial Pipeline and Kaseya. Instagram to start testing NFTs. Instagram will start testing digital collectibles to enable creators and collectors to display their non-fungible tokens on their profiles. Instagram is working with a small number of users to test the feature, which will let users share NFTs in their main feed as well as stories and in messages by linking third-party digital wallets in-app. The wallets will be Rainbow, MetaMask and Trust Wallet, with Coinbase, Dapper and Phantom coming soon. CEO Mark Zuckerberg said that similar functionality will soon come to Facebook and that the firm is also bringing augmented reality NFTs to Instagram stories via the firm's Spark AR technology. Bengaluru to host megametaverse summit. Bengaluru will host India's megametaverse summit, Namaste NFT Bengaluru 2022, from 14th to 15th May at Bangalore International Exhibition Centre. Namaste NFT Bengaluru 2022 is a free-to-enter event that is expected to host 300 plus artists and 20 plus speakers. The two-day event aims to democratize the understanding of the world of NFTs by bringing together artists, collectors, developers, influencers and pioneers of the Web3 industry. Over 10,000 participants are expected from across the country. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.